To kick things off, we will establish a lab environment designed for ethical hacking and penetration testing. This setup will consist of a Core NX machine along with two another system that will serve as our targets for testing and exploitation. To get started, we will head over to the official Core NX website to download a pre-configured Core NX switcher machine. Opt in for the pre-built VM rather than ISLame as streamlines the process, saving us from setting up the operating system from scratch. This way, we can dive straight into testing without spending extra time on the initial configuration. We have initiated the download process for Core NX, and the file size is approximately 3.3 GB. Since it's a fairly large file, we will need to give it some time to complete. The download is complete, and we now have a zip file. The next step is to extract it. So we will get started with that right away. Extraction might take a moment. So let's sit back and let the system do its thing. Now that extraction process is finished, the next task is to set up VirtualBox. So head over to its official website to download the software. Unlike the Core NX setup, we will need the VirtualBox ISO image this time. Make sure to choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Windows user should choose Windows host package, while Macintosh user can grab the Mac OS VM. And Linux enthusiasts can opt for the Linux distribution over here. So the download is roughly 117 MB, so it won't take too long. The VirtualBox download is complete. We can begin the installation. So prompted, click yes to proceed to the setup wizard. So stick to the default options as you navigate through the installation process. Okay. Next. Yes. Yes. And click install when you reach the final setup. Install. Allow the software to install completely. Don't exit or close it prematurely. Once it's finished, click Finish to compute the setup. With VirtualBox successfully installed, we can now load our Core NX virtual machine. So, navigate to the folder where you extracted the Core NX files. Look for the virtual machine file with extension .vbox file and select it. The file will download into VirtualBox. Next, customize the specifications of the virtual machine according to your system's capabilities. For instance, you can increase the memory allocation or adjust the number of processes. Once everything is configured, head back to the main page and click Start to launch the virtual machine. While the Core NX virtual machine is starting up, we will download two vulnerable machines. So first, head over to the OneHub website and download the OS broken web application. Yeah, this fourth one.